Hey YouTube, this is Miguel Delgado aka Chef Miguelito and welcome to Chef Miguelito TV. Today we're gonna make a delicious Peruvian style Papa Rellena. Let's go! For this recipe we're gonna need white potatoes. I have around 3 pounds here. I have garlic, 2 cloves, red onions. I have some ground beef, around 2 pounds. I have salt, cumin, pepper, and some AP flour. If you don't have all-purpose flour, you can use chickpea flour as I have it right now, right here. We're gonna need eggs as well, okay? So we're gonna start by boiling the potatoes. We have our potatoes here. We're gonna add some salt, 2 tablespoons. So the potato is gonna be seasoned already, okay? For around 30 to 45 minutes. So we're gonna dice up our red onions to add it to the ground beef so we can make some seasoning so we can get the most flavor out of the ground beef, onions, and we're gonna add some black pepper, cumin, and salt. Okay, we got around a cup and a half of red onion. We're gonna start by smashing our garlic as well. And we're gonna mince it. So we're gonna start heating up our skillet. We're gonna add a little bit of oil for our red onion. We're gonna add our red onion. So now that our onions are translucent, I'm gonna add the garlic and I'm gonna add, this is optional, ají panca, but if you don't have ají panca, hot chili pepper paste, you can add paprika just to make it easier for you. Okay, I'm gonna add it as well. So now we're gonna incorporate our ground beef and we're gonna add cumin, 1 teaspoon, salt, 1 teaspoon, or to taste depending on how you like it, and rainbow peppercorn, 1 teaspoon. So now that our water is boiling from the potatoes, we're gonna add 4 eggs. So that way we're gonna save some time, you know, because we need boiled eggs as well for 10 minutes. So it's always important to taste everything you cook, you know. Maybe my measurements are not, you know, aligned with your tasting buds. So always, if you need more salt, pepper, cumin, just add a little bit more and adjust it to your liking. So now that our ground beef is ready, we're gonna reserve for 10 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna cool it down. So now that our eggs are boiled and cooked, we're gonna dice them up. So now we're gonna incorporate our eggs to the ground beef that we previously reserved. And we're gonna add some raisins. That's optional. If you don't have raisins, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then raisins around 1/4 cup. Then proceed to integrate all the ingredients. So our potatoes are ready. We're gonna drain them and we're gonna peel them off steam hot, okay, with cold water. So while potatoes still hot, make sure you run them over cold water so it'll be easier for you to peel them off. So now that our potatoes are ready, we're just gonna smash them really good. Okay, once you make sure your potato is really smooth, you know, doesn't have any hard potatoes in it, you're gonna season it. You're gonna add salt to taste or 1 teaspoon, and then you go from there. And then black pepper or rainbow peppercorn. Okay, always adjusting to your likings and make sure it's soft, smooth. And we're gonna add some oil as well, around 1/4 cup of oil. So now we're gonna portion what we're gonna deep fry, you know, for the day. And the reason I use white potato is because when you deep fry it, it holds everything together, and the consistency that you're looking for is gonna be smooth, it's gonna be fatty and delicious. So we're gonna, depending on the size of the potato, you can get like 2 ounces for each, 2 to 3 ounces for each potato. You're gonna put it on the palm of your hand like this, and then you're gonna add the filling. You know, you already have the eggs, you already have your raisins, meat, and then you're gonna cover it with more potato on top, and then you're gonna make a oval shape, you know, like a big or large egg. So once the potato is ready, you can reserve it for 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge, you know, so that way it's gonna be cold, it's gonna hold better. And then after that, you're just gonna use your right hand and just put the flour. Just your right hand, you see, have to be delicate like a surgeon. And then egg. Okay, so now you're gonna hold it here. So we're gonna heat up oil, make sure it's 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. When it reaches that temperature, then you're gonna add your potato carefully, one by one, depending on how big your pot is. So you're gonna leave it for 1 minute approximately each side, but you're gonna see that you want your potato to get that golden color. It's getting there. So you see that golden color right now, so you're gonna be gentle, okay guys? No one is rushing you. Just make sure you drain excess oil and put them on your plate already with paper towels. So this is the end result, a golden brown Papa Rellena. As you can see, you can accompany with pickled onions, red peppers, mayo, hot sauce. Be creative, use your imagination. This is Chef Miguelito checking out, and if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you want more recipes like this, and I'll see you next time.